Your dream backyard oasis, right here in the Woodlands. But the beautiful Texas soil beneath your feet, often expansive clay, can crack and destroy that dream. Beyond the ground, the iconic trees of the Woodlands have their own strict rules. And invisible boundaries called utility easements dictate exactly where you can and cannot build. So how do you overcome these hidden challenges? We will show you the exact process top builders follow from start to finish. Before any digging starts, your project faces a maze of hyperlocal rules. Do you know about these specific requirements? First, the trees. Any tree over 6 inches in diameter needs a detailed plan and written approval for removal. This is mandatory. Digging near your home's foundation? That requires a special engineered proximity letter to ensure your house stays stable. Those easements by your fence line, they forbid any plumbing or hardscape from being placed there without specific approval. All these rules are part of a permit process demanding detailed site plans. This is not a simple weekend project. Navigating paperwork is one thing, but what about the physical earth itself? This is where the real engineering challenge begins. Much of this area has expansive clay soil. Think of it like a sponge. It swells dramatically when wet and shrinks when dry. This constant movement exerts immense pressure on a pool's concrete shell, leading to cracks, leaks, and structural failure. Improper drainage makes this worse. Water pooling around the pool supersaturates the clay, maximizing pressure and risk to your home. This is why a simple dig and pour approach is destined to fail here. The solution requires geotechnical expertise before building. So if the ground is actively working against your pool, how do the best builders fight back? How do they build on unstable earth? Let's look at how elite builders turn these severe challenges into a smooth process for you. It all starts with the vision. Top builders use advanced 3D design technology, not sketches. This lets you virtually walk through your future backyard beforehand. They also have deep expertise in the Woodlands aesthetic, designing pools that blend with the natural setting of your home. During the build, they manage disruption with clear communication and regular updates. They respect your home, not just the job site. This professionalism is reflected in their business practices, clear, itemized estimates, and detailed written contracts for protection. But what happens when you don't choose a builder with this level of expertise? The cost of saving money can be astronomical. The most common mistake is choosing a contractor based on the lowest bid, which often leads to poor work and cheap materials. An even bigger risk is hiring an unlicensed or improperly insured contractor. If an accident happens, you could be held liable. Recall the expansive clay and complex permit rules? A low-bid contractor is not equipped to handle these local issues. They might also cut corners on safety, a huge liability. Texas law demands 72-inch self-latching gates and other strict rules. So how does doing it the right way pay off? The benefit is about much more than just avoiding disaster. Earlier, we asked how you build on unstable ground. This is the answer: pre-construction soil stabilization with piers or treatments. This engineering, combined with managing all the local rules, is the foundation of a high-quality pool backed by a strong warranty. And that quality, that permanence, is what creates real value. A properly built custom pool is a major asset, not an expense. In the Woodlands, a high-quality pool can add between $25,000 and $50,000 to your home's resale price. From concept to completion, building a pool in the Woodlands is a complex task that requires conquering local challenges. Top pool builders provide a complete service precisely because these unique geological and regulatory demands require it. When you choose a builder, you're not just buying a pool. You are investing in local expertise to protect your property. Choose wisely and turn the dream of a perfect backyard oasis into a beautiful, lasting reality.